Have you ever wondered how it feels to be a captain of a boat? Well, today, with a few steps, you're going to be creating and testing your own private boat. I'm going to show you a few steps on how to create your own paper boat. The first step to make a paper boat is to get a blank sheet of paper. Then we get the top edge of the piece of paper, fold it down to the bottom edge of the piece of paper. Make sure it's lined up. Then make a crease. After, we're going to get this edge of the piece of paper and fold it to the other side. And we're going to make another crease. Before we do the next step, make sure the opening part of the piece of paper is facing you. Then you're going to grab the corners and line it up to the crease we made in the center of the paper. After we fold it in the corners, we're going to get one flap of the piece of paper and fold it like so. And we're going to do this on the other side too. It should be looking like this right now. Now, we're going to get one corner, tuck it in, get the other corner, and overlap it. We're going to do this on the other side too. Get one corner, tuck it in, and the other corner, overlap it. It doesn't matter which corner you tucked in, as long as one is. Now, we're going to open this up and get the two corners, push them in, and make another crease. After you creased it, you're going to get one of the flaps, grab the bottom corner, fold it to the top corner, crease it, flip it, and do the same thing to the other side, then crease. Once you get this triangle shape, you're going to again open it, grab the two corners and push them together, then crease. Next, you grab the two top corners, not the middle one, and pull it. Then crease. For the last step, we're going to open the pocket at the bottom of the boat. And there you have it, your own paper boat. Now we're going to be testing your own paper boat, if it floats or sinks. I just showed you how to make your own paper boat. Hopefully these steps weren't too hard or confusing to follow along. My dare to you is to make another boat without watching my video. Thank you.